Janet, Try It Like It, Create It, and today I have an unboxing video of eyelets. Now, if you followed along with me, this is video number 3 from an auction, a local auction from a place called Christie's. It's located in Indiana, and I bid. It was an online auction of craft supplies, and I bid on 5 different lots, or actually I won 5 different lots. I had bid on quite a few, but some of them went a little too high for what I was interested in. So I am unboxing each lot separate in a separate video. So this one is the eyelet video, and I've done a Brad's video. That was number 2, and number 1 was Misty and Crocodile corner punch, a corner chomper, and a few other items that came with that, but those were the 2 items I was interested in that lot. So let's dig in and see what I got. I'll have to put the price. I forgot to look up the price on this one, so I will have to put the price on this after I get done showing you the video, and so you can see how much I paid for this lot. I have a feeling it was a lot less than what it would have cost, but I'm running out of containers to put these in, so I'm going to throw them in a box next to me and then have to go get a box to put them in. This is Easy Set eyelets in lavender, short eyelets, and this one is Easy Set eyelets in pastel green flowers. The others were circles. This is from the Paper Studio, and it looks to be more like paper clips, if you ask me. They look like arrow, could be anchors. Yeah, I guess maybe anchor paper clips. So it was on sale for $1.50. I think that's what they are. But they were in this lot. Okay, so now we have flowers and butterflies. So these are actually Brad's, and these are eyelets, but I guess they packaged them together thinking that the colors coordinate and that you would put the flower into the center of the butterfly. So not a bad idea, I guess. I'm not sure if I would do it that way or not, but anyway, the butterflies are Recollections. There's 14 pieces in there, and I don't think it has been opened. And then here we have some floral Brads, which I have a ton of Brad, let me tell you. All right, flower eyelets, and these are Recollections. Hearts. It says variety pack, but they are red, pink, and white, and this is from Making Memories. I don't know that. There we go. I don't know if we're in focus. Sorry about that. All right, this one says Snaps. Yeah, I think they're still eyelets. They're all silver and they're floral. This is Making Memories. It says it's 1/8 of an inch. These are Christmas trees. Silver, green, red. There's a broken one. I'm not sure what that shape is. Oh, okay. Interesting. They are different. There's angels. There's Christmas trees. There's a candle. I think that's a bunny. I think that's a bunny. These are all different. Christmas trees, flower, angels, candles, one random bunny, I think. Anyway, holiday mix from Easy Set eyelets. This one's in a tube. Scalloped eyelets. They're floral shaped. And this is Jonquil Yellow. The Stamp Doctor. The Stamp Doctor. Jonquil. Maybe that's a different name for yellow. I don't know. Scallops, anyway. And then, woo, look at this. So they're all round and different colors. Some of that are so similar to each other in color that are next to each other. Let's see, some of these are solid, some of them have openings. They're all round in nature. So, and then I've never used one of these before. So, okay, so look at this. It swings out. Oh, and of course, I have it upside down. So they're going everywhere. All right, this is, what does that say? Making Memories at the top. And those of you who know what this was, you knew that I was opening it upside down. You didn't tell me. Look at this mess. All right, so I'm going to have to clean this up, and then I'll come right back. All right, so I took a moment to clean up and also sort, and then all of these are the same kind of containers, and they are all from Making Memories. And so I did go ahead and look up how much I paid for this lot as well, and it was $20.92. So I don't know how much these little individual guys go for, but I have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 of these, let alone all the others that I shared. One other one that was a find is Snaps. These are solid at the top and metallic variety pack from Making Memories. So now this lot from Making Memories, what I have found out is that these little containers are individual and they snap on top of each other. Now the hold that puts them together is not all that great, but let's just randomly go through these colors. Okay, so we've got black with a hole, silver or gunmetal, solid, it looks like brass with a hole, a dark purple with a hole, and a dark copper with a hole. And then this set is solid. Looks like blue, purple, green, and maybe some red. I guess I'm going to call that red. Solid in green. And then they're littler with a hole in red. All right, the next stack. Solid in metal color. Ooh, this one's got some different stuff going on in here. Not a whole lot going on in here. A couple of different colors. Let's make sure I'm in focus here. It's got two swirly things. I don't know what those are. I'm guessing they're paper clips. Maybe there's more than two. Looks like maybe 3 of them in there. Yeah, those look like paper clips to me with a variety of different colored brads. And then, or eyelets. Sorry, I keep calling them brads. I don't know why. These are star-shaped in a multicolor. This is kind of a burnt orange with a hole. This one is red, solid. It's a different colored red, kind of a muted red. Oh, goodness, this one's tight. All right. This one is solid silver, and it's brighter in person than what you're seeing, what I'm seeing anyway, on my camera. And then this interesting color, kind of a gray teal, I would say. They don't have names on them. I don't know, what each name is, but okay, so smaller stack here. Red, different colored red with holes. How many reds do we have here? So many. Okay, copper, solid. Gold, solid. And what are these? I think, I think I have some trees. I think I have some bats. You know what? We're going to have to open this. Figure out what these are, because I don't know. I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's a cat. Oh, wow. Okay, I like that. Cats and bats for Halloween, I guess. Yeah, that's what they are. Cats and bats. Interesting. Here's the, I don't know, can you even see that? It's a black cat. And then there's bats. And I think those are the only 2 shapes in here. Right. And these are full. They don't want to shut very well. Kind of have to futz with them to get them back in there. All right. cats and bats. Ooh, tall one. Okay. Teal with holes. Purple solids. Black, but kind of shiny. A different kind of a black with a hole. These are brown, but metallic and solid. I hope that makes sense to you, that what I'm saying is solid is the top of it, of the eyelet is solid, or it has a hole going through it. These are blue. Not a true blue. I mean, it's a grade. It's an interesting color. A grade blue. Then we've got a light, I'm going to call it light orange. I think it's looking a little darker on screen. Those are solid. These are orange with holes. Ooh, peach or pink. Pinky, peach, skin, flesh colored with the hole in it. This one is a very dark red with a hole in it. Tell me if you're seeing the colors okay on this. I guess copper. Copper with a hole. Silver that are flat on top. Purple with a hole. Kind of that interesting teal grade, teal blue gray with a hole. And then I'm going to call it navy, although I don't think it's a true navy. Navy with a hole. That's it. That's all of the brads I got for $20.92. Let me know what you think of my haul. Also, let me know how you use your brads, because that might give me some ideas for some of these. So thanks for watching to the end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This is the third in the series of the unboxing auction videos. I've got 2 more coming, 5 total. And yeah, let me know what you think, how you would use them, and if you think I got a good deal. I think I did. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.